7. Pets. Are there rules on the number, weight, and breed of pets as well as waste cleanup? 8. Home office. Does the Homeowners Association restrict home-based businesses? 9. Parking. How does parking work and what are the visitor parking regulations? 10. Trash and recycling. Are there specific rules for waste collection? 11. Storage. What provisions exist for storing items? Homeowners Association management. 12. Board and professional management. Who serves on the board? And does the Homeowners Association rely on professional management? 13. Financials. Request and review 1 year of board minutes and financial statements. By addressing these questions, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the Homeowners Association management and regulations, helping you make an informed decision before purchasing a property within such a community. Consult with your realtor when purchasing a property. They can assist in learning more about the community and the Homeowners Association in the neighborhood you want to live in.